Good morning, friends. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 8 English Medium. Which standard? Standard 8 English Medium. Unit 6. Which? Unit 6. What is the unit name? This is Geordie's Fawn, written by Marjorie Kennan Rawlings. Okay, and today I am going to revise this chapter. What revise means? Today revision of this unit. Okay, let's see. Here given the MCQ, multiple choice question. See, in the paragraph, he had held it in his dreams, in his arms. He slipped from the table and went to his father's bedside. Penny lay at rest. His eyes were open and clear, but the pupils were still dark and dilated. So out of this paragraph here, arrange 3 MCQ. See, the first MCQ. He in the passage refers to. He means this passage refers to whom? So, here given options. Option A, Geordie. Option B, Penny. Option C, Doc Wilson. And option D, Millville. So, this passage is about whom? Refers to whom? Geordie. Whom? Geordie. So, option A is the correct answer. Number 2, it refers to. It, here it refers to. Options given: the table, the fawn, Penny's eyes, the bed. Okay, so the it, here it means showing the animals. So the fawn, B option is the correct answer. And number 3, he went to his father's bedside. 2/4. Inquire about his health, get some money, talk about the dough, the sake of the fawn. So option D is the correct answer. Out of this paragraph, why the Geordie had gone to meet his father? Because of the talking about the fawn, the sake of the fawn. Then next, here given, see, paragraph and MCQ. See the MCQs here. Who was it that went away on the horse? See the paragraph. He waited for the sound of the horse to end. Then cut to the right. The scrub was still. Only his own crackling of wings sounded across the silence. He wondered for an instant if he had mistaken his direction. So here given the MCQ first. Who was it that went away on the horse? Geordie, Penny, Millville, Doc Wilson. Who helped him to find the fawn in the jungle? So option C, Millville. Who? Millville is the correct answer. Now number 2. He was trying to. He means here who? Geordie. Geordie was trying to what? Find the fawn. Option A is the correct answer. MCQ number 3. He had come to the place where, he means Geordie had come to the place where he usually came. The dog was killed. His father had asked him to go. His mother had sent him. So the answer is Geordie had come to the place where the exactly dog was killed, means the option B is the correct answer. Then next, here given, the fawn started after. Geordie met the fawn. After meeting, the fawn started after whom? Here given the Options: Penny, Ma Baxter, Jody, and Millville. So Jody, the phone here given, the phone started after him. See the first line. Who? The phone started after whom? Jody. So here C is the correct answer. Number second, he was light-headed with joy as he felt that. Options given. Out of these four options, what? This D is the correct answer. The phone was really his. Whose? Means Jody. Number third, this passage is taken from. This passage is taken from which lesson? Given. Options 4 given: the tsunami, this is Jody's phone, a visit to Cambridge, the Great Stone Face. So the chapter, when I start, I already told you about the chapter, and the chapter name is This is Jody's Phone. B is the correct answer. Then next, see here. Jody was worried about. Jody was worried about whom? Worried about the phone. Worried about whom? Worried about the phone. D is the correct answer. Now comes to second. See, Penny felt hemmed in. Who is Penny? Penny means Jody's father. Felt hemmed in. Hemmed. Options given: when he killed the doe, when Jody proposed to bring the phone home, when Jody asked him how he was feeling, and when the phone was brought home. So Penny felt hemmed in when Jody asked him how he was feeling. Option C. Number third, Jody feared that his parents might not allow him to bring the phone home because here question is, Jody feared that his parents might not allow him to bring the phone home because of the expenses to feed the animal. Because of the food had given to whom? Given to that animal, fawn, and it was expensed. That is why Jody feared that his parents might not allowed to bring the fawn home. Number 4, Jody's mother held the coffee pot in mid-air. It shows that. What it shows that? It shows that she was stunned at what Jody had said. Jody talked about he was very little young boy. So he talked about to go to the jungle and find the fawn. While listening to Jody's mother, she was making coffee and taking the coffee pot in mid-air while hearing about what the Jody had said. So the first option A is the correct answer here. Number 5, Dr. Wilson and Mill supported. Both Dr. Wilson and Mill supported whom? Jody. Whom? Jody. Because Jody is the right. He told about to find the fawn from the jungle. So the both Wilson, Dr. Wilson and Millville supported to Jody. Number 6, a male fawn is the one on whom the spots are all in a line. Option C is the correct answer. When Jody and his father talked, his father told him about how to find the male and female fawn. His father said that when the dots, mean the spots, are all in a line, said that it is male fawn. Deer, it is male deer, means baby deer, male. Then next, Jody sent Millville back because he wanted to be alone with the phone. What? He wanted to be alone with the phone. Why? If Jody found the phone, he was very happy and excited. So he's excited, couldn't want to see this Melville. And if Jody find that the phone was killed by someone, so he would not show his regret to this Melville. So Jody sent Melville back home. Then next, the buzzard is. Who is buzzard? So a buzzard is a large bird like the vulture. Looks like the vulture. So option D is the correct answer. So friends, this is the revision of unit 6. This is Jody's phone. Thank you.